The next thing I want to show you is a pretty advanced feature called Type Decorators. It's something that we need to come into the configuration and go ahead and turn on. This is experimental decorators. But what it allows us to do is create code that can be reused and applied to existing code. And the easiest way to share it is with an example. So I've got some code here that I'm going to type amazingly fast. And there it's done. What we've got here is a helper function. It takes in a function and basically just extracts the name of the function from it. So that's all this does. I pass it an actual executable function and we get the function name. This is a signature for a type decorator. There are type decorators that can decorate classes and that can decorate methods and properties, and they have different signatures, but basically we have the target that it's applied to, a property key, and a descriptor. So what I'm doing is I'm intercepting existing functions. So I'm taking the existing function, overriding it with my own function. What it does is I say I've intercepted it, tell you what arguments are passed in, then I run the original function, and then I also debug the result and return it. So the function should work as is, but I'll enhance them with some metadata. Now this is called debug, so the way we apply this to existing methods is we come into the print method, for example, and we do @debug. And now that's applied to this print method. We can apply it to multiple methods, so I'm going to add it to this method that we just added, and I'm going to add it to this method as well. And I'm not going to make any other changes. So let's save that. We're going to compile it, run it, and you can see now we have all this interception information. Method args for calculate year born, 44.1, return value for print because print's void, it has undefined. But we were able to add all this metadata, have everything else work as it did before, just by applying the same piece of code. That's what type decorators do.